Welcome to the spectacular world of 1,000 vlogs. PETEMO at Aqua City, Odaiba is a fantastic place to pamper your pets with an extensive range of accessories, from clothing and furniture to toys and treats. The store offers products for all kinds of pets, including cats and dogs. It's a great spot for pet lovers to spend the day, with scenic photo opportunities and nearby malls for shopping and dining. Why you should go: 1. Explore one of the largest pet stores with a vast selection of high-quality items. 2. Experience a paradise for pet lovers with an extensive collection of accessories. 3. Interact with adorable kittens and puppies on display. This is an extensive walking tour experience. Watching this gives you virtual adventure, and with the best of our ability, we offer an imitation that would grant you the lens to this wonderful experience with us. PETEMO at Aqua City, Odaiba in Minato City, JP, is a spacious and modern pet store with on-site adoption services, grooming, and a pet hotel. Fido is welcome to join you when shopping PETEMO's carefully selected premium pet foods, high-quality beds, fashionable accessories, and an irresistible array of pet sweets at the bakery. Full-service grooming or an overnight stay at the state-of-the-art pet hotel can be arranged in-store. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more. Please do watch our other Tokyo, Japan playlist. Please do watch our other hobby and collection series. Have you been to Tokyo, Japan? What was your experience? Let us know in the comments section below. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe for more exciting vlogs.